The demand for services for rape and sexual assault victims here in the Valley is continuing to rise.
Numbers are dramatically increasing as more people are asking for help. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy has a closer look at those numbers tonight.
Denise and Brian, the Rape Crisis Center here in Las Vegas needs volunteers. That's because more people are reaching out for help, taking part in support groups, requesting individual counseling services, and calling their hotline. The Rape Crisis Center recently expanded, moving into a bigger building and hiring more staff. But again, they still need help. To give you an idea of the demand, Executive Director Danielle Staples says the number of people in support groups was up 84%, 32% more people were receiving counseling services, and there was a 15% increase in calls to the hotline. They've handled more than 2,300 hotline calls so far in 2019. Staples says it isn't just recent victims. The national spotlight on sexual assault and harassment through the Time's Up and Me Too movements has more people seeking help for trauma that can be decades old.
That we're serving a lot of folks who maybe have never reached out for help before. We're not seeing necessarily that this is a lot of folks that have been recently impacted. A lot of it is people who may be stepping forward now because of the Me Too and Time's Up movements or other things that they're seeing and hearing.
We have links on how you can apply to be a volunteer. You'll have to go through about 50 hours of training. And we also have linked on how to contact the Rape Crisis Center if you need their services. That's on our website at 8newsnow.com. Another big part of stamping out sexual assault is going through the backlog of untested rape kits. We'll tell you why funding for that is under threat and update you on how testing the sometimes decades-old kits is going, including highlighting one brutal murder case that they helped solve. That's coming up at 6 again.
So Vanessa, it's important that when we kind of study these numbers that even though the number of people that are asking for help is going up, that doesn't necessarily that the crime is being committed more frequently, right?
Right, and as the executive director mentioned, just more people are reaching out even if something happened years ago.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, appreciate it.